throw it away. Throw them all outside. Throw out mobile. No junk. All these days I kept eating all the stuff like this. Soda, sweets, salt, all the fat, junk, chocolates, everything. No way. From tomorrow onwards, that is 15th of July, I decided to stop eating all the junk and I wanted to eat clean, green. Let me show you. Lean protein like eggs, chicken, tuna, salad, fruits, olive oil, green tea, etc. So, why I am telling all these things? Because from tomorrow onwards, that is 15th of July, I decided to start intermittent fasting. I have chosen 16:8 ratio, that is 16 hours fasting and 8 hours eating clean and green, all healthy, with lean protein, fruits, salad, green tea, black coffee if possible, and not sleeping on the bed, hanging out or doing some sort of physical activity. I have done a lot of things since 1 year and I hardly lost weight. So now I read a lot of stories about intermittent fasting and I want to experiment that on my body itself. I will post weekly once this intermittent fasting video, results and all. Have a look and keep following me. Let's see the weight on day 1. I am 76.5 kgs. Let me show you how I look today. Take out these spectacles. So this is how it is on day 1. After 30 days, or I will show you weekly once, changes in my body. If we are doing some weight loss journey, it's better to show the body so that it is very clear to everyone how body changes. So that's the reason I took out my shirt. So this is how it is today with the belly. We'll see after a week how body is going to change and also weight. Let us check the weight on day 2. 75.9 grams. Let us see day 3 weight. 75.4 grams. Let us check weight on day 4, 4th day. It shows 73 kgs 600 grams. This is weight on 4th day. Let me check day 5 weight also. Now it is 74 kgs 100 grams. So today is day 6. Let's check the weight. So it shows 73 kgs 600 grams. So let us check weight on day 7. 1 week completed. So it's 73 kgs 800 grams. Okay. This is only 1 week result. I consider it as a baby step. Another 3 more weeks to go. I need to wait and see if this particular intermittent fasting is going to work on my body or not. If the weight on the scale is going to change in another 3 weeks or not. So 1 week is too early to judge or say this particular intermittent fasting is working on my body or not. So second week I'll upload another video with completely new statistics. Let's see if I'm going to reduce my weight or increase my weight. How it is going to change, let's wait and see. Until then, stay tuned, stay healthy, be happy. Signing off. So let us check the body also once how it is changed. Look at the belly. Became little bit light, and we will see the progress in coming weeks. Another 3 more weeks to go.